Good evening, everybody. What is going on? It is January 24th, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Taking a look over at Tesla. Today was a wild ride in the markets. Emotions were running high, to say the least. Going over a couple quick things here this evening. So Tesla actually closed up in the green today. $13.90. One hell of a day. It was down $50, $60 at one point today, and then it looks like we found a bottom in early afternoon, and then the markets continued up higher, and it looks like Tesla actually was able to close in the green, which is a good sight to see. So a couple things I see here, a couple things I mentioned in this morning's early video is this low here on December 21st. I was saying look for that low as a potential area of support. And what did we do today is we actually undercut that low. So that low was 886.12. We undercut that low. We went down to 851.47, and what was even nicer to see is we actually closed above that low. We closed at 930. So we had a range today in Tesla of 933.51 to 851.47. Incredible volatile range in Tesla. So we undercut the low on December 21st, and we closed above it. That's pretty bullish if you ask me. We also did something else that I had mentioned in this morning's video. I said if we do undercut that low on December 21st, look for a test of the 200-day. We didn't quite make it down to the 200-day, but you can't ignore today's candle, which is pretty bullish looking. The 200-day is sitting at 811.37, and today's low was 851.47. So this has a look to it like this is some kind of a short-term bottom. One, undercutting the December 21st low. Two, getting close to the 200-day as a test. So a little side note here is fund managers and big time traders use the 200-day as an area they step in and will support a stock there. They also use that as a place of accumulation. So I did mention we did not quite get down there, but today's action looks bullish, and it looks like we did find some support. Undercutting this low and closing above it on December 21st was a good sight to see. If we closed below it, if we closed at the bottom of today's range, I would not be so optimistic here on Tesla. Something else to keep note here on Tesla is we did create a price gap. We've been talking about price gaps in the past couple videos. Well, today we created a price gap to the downside. We almost closed it towards the end of the trading session, but not quite. So today's high was 933.51, and yesterday's low is 940.50. So we have a small price gap there. And as I have mentioned, price gaps do tend to get filled over time. So the big question is, when will this price gap get filled tomorrow, and will we head higher? Will we trade sideways and then head higher? Time will tell. But there is an overhead price gap. So if that is going to get filled, that would say prices are going to be heading higher here for Tesla. Depends on the overall NASDAQ, but let's see if this thing can fill that price gap. Let's also see if today was some kind of a short-term bottom, undercutting the December 21st low and finding some support here at the 200-day moving average. So we will see. If you take a look over at the stock market indices, I personally just follow the micro futures. We had one hell of a reversal today in the market. We were basically waterfalling, and we have these very big candle wicks all over the indices, which is a good sign. Perhaps it could be a V bottom. We've seen that before, but it does kind of have a look to it like it's some kind of a short-term bottom, at least for the near term. But we will see in the coming days and coming weeks. So just wanted to fill everybody in here. I appreciate all of you taking your time out of your day to watch these videos. All of my new and current subscribers, thank you very much for everybody liking the videos. Keep your eye on the upper price gap created today on Tesla. Look for that to get filled. Keep an eye on this 200-day. Will today's candle hold? And that was some kind of a short-term bottom, or is there lower price action to come? We will see. So an example of today's price action is somewhat like December 21st. Today's range was bigger, but if you look at this candle here, you can see that we had a pretty volatile range, pretty wide price range. Traded down, undercut the December 20th low, closed much higher, and that was some kind of a short-term V bottom, trading from, let's see, the low was 886.12, and then we traded all the way up to here before reversing, which was 1208. So we will see if we V bottom out of today's action. Take that price gap, fill it, head higher. That would be a sight to see. Also, something I want to point out is we are currently, let's go from just about there, the all-time high for Tesla, down to today's low. And you can see on the chart, down about 391 points from the top, or Tesla is 31% off its highs. Tesla basically just had a 31% correction from November 4th until today's low. So I got a comment in one of my videos. I believe it was this morning's video about Tesla. Is Tesla a good buy here? Well, that's up to you. I can't be giving you that advice. As I had mentioned to you, the Tesla trades that we follow are posted on the Patreon group. But to get back to kind of what you're asking is, would you rather buy Tesla up here at 1243, or would you rather get a 30% sale on Tesla? I don't know. That's up to you. Doesn't mean we're not going to go down another 30%. Doesn't mean we're not going to go up 30% from here and then go up another 30%. I do not know. I just follow our models and the signals that it provides. But I thought it was very interesting to see that Tesla is down off its top 31%. That is one hell of a move, and we will see what happens from here. So, all right, everybody. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video. Have a great evening. Keep your eye on that upper price gap created today by Tesla. Consider subscribing to this channel if you like stock market videos, futures, Tesla, SPY, cryptocurrencies. That's what we will be posting on this channel. All right, everybody, have a great night and take care.